What's going on everyone? Lumiere log 13. My name's Joshua Kirk, this is Tim Williams, and today what we want to talk about is the gear we use every day to create digital content.
But first, here's a sweet new intro. So last week we took you on a little tour through the new offices here in Richmond, an exciting new space that we're happy to call home and have set up a little studio setup where we record these logs, where we do all the hustle next door. This is a diary entry, just something to record us to say this is what we're using, and we can look back in a few years' time and say, wow, look how far we've come.
That's right, so on that note, let's jump next door and have a look at the gear we use on a day-to-day basis.
Yo, here we go from left to right. On my desk we have hard drive storage box, 4-bay CF card reader, Color Monkey screen calibration unit, Harman card and speakers, 27-inch Apple Thunderbolt display, keyboard, trackpad, pen, 2-bay Thunderbolt dock with SATA hard drives, 2011 MacBook Pro.
And on my side of the desk, we have the KRK Rocket 5-inch powered speakers, Loop Deck Lightroom controller, Apple wireless keyboard with numpad. Here we have the Blackmagic web presenter for all our live streaming, 27-inch 5K iMac, Apple Magic Mouse, the Wacom Intuos Pro tablet, Rode boom mic for all our podcasting, Sennheiser cans, and the Focusrite Scarlett 18i8. And under the desk we have the Drobo Thunderbolt 3 RAID with all our data. You would have noticed that Tim is sporting a fairly old 15-inch MacBook Pro brick of a thing.
And a brick of a thing it is. I have just been made aware by Apple that I am no longer eligible for the software updates that they provide. So Apple have given me the bird and said, go get yourself a new computer. It's important to note that I would not have had the same leg. It's important to note that I would not have had...
It's important to note that I would not have had the same longevity out of the laptop if I wasn't able to upgrade the internal components.
Bro, you nailed it.
That's what you're trying to say.
Yeah. So as of late, I have been flirting with PC as an option for a new computer. Round, long story, I've come back to Mac for an extra couple of $100. I can stay with Mac, stay within the ecosystem of Mac and keep going. I do have to buy a dock to make sure that I can manage all the peripherals, but hey, I'll take you on a tour of the new MacBook Pro once it arrives and show you the setup and how I've connected all my existing peripherals from there.